So નવરાત્રી માટે શોપિંગ કરવી હોય then definitely do visit this exhibition. આ છે July Trinkets by Arohi Events happening at Beyond Exhibition Gallery. માત્ર 2 દિવસ માટે છે આજે અને કાલે, એટલે જરૂર વિઝિટ કરજો. You will find beautiful options in chaniya cholis like these. Jewelry option છે બહુ સુંદર, પછી પોટલીઝ છે, બેગ કલેક્શન છે, વેડિંગ માટે બી ઓપ્શન્સ મળી જશે અને સાથે સાથે ફેસ્ટિવ માટે કલેક્શન જોઈતું હોય then that is also available just a today exhibition. Come down here, check caption for all the details and હવે કલેક્શન જોવા માટે swipe left. Chaniya has a pocket with zipper. They have beautiful chaniya cholis collection. This is brand label Kajal. What do we have more?
We have different chaniyas with us with different designs.
Beautiful.
With some Banarasi borders, the one I am wearing.
Banarasi borders के साथ. Yes.
Then we have mirror work as well.
Mirror work.
Then we have unique design.
Beautiful.
Then something different, we have checks as well. One more with checks border.
Check this out.
We have too many designs in every fabric.
Color options as well.
We have handwork blouses,
Handwork blouses.
designer blouses,
Sabyasachi blouses.
work blouses, kachi patta.
Have got shoulder bags and a lot of options for potlies as well, as you can see. Beautiful. So this is brand label Kajal. So this is brand Arohi Gems and Jewelry.
Yes, so this is antique Afghani, a tribal collection. These are all earrings in the tribal collection and silver look like both. We have Chand Balis. We have long earrings, jhumkas. These are long neck pieces, statement pieces. This is a long statement Afghani. Then we have this fusion silver look like jewelry. This is a statement piece. These are all bracelets, earrings, fusion bracelets, only earrings, and some matching sets. This is all fusion jewelry, bangles, American diamond jewelry.
They have a beautiful jewelry collection for Indian weddings as well. As you can see, the whole sets they have, and other than that, they have a lot of options for malas.
Hi, my name is Sejal. I'm from brand Rutba, and I have all designer collection which can be best for your Navratri as well as
Wedding functions. Yes.
So this is 14-meter flare, and this is like this.
And this is brand Rutba Truly Ethnic.
This is Kinkap, vintage Kinkap.
Beautiful. Amazing. Check out the colors and the work.
I have all colors in this. Also.
Right.
I have designer blouses as well.
So they have got designer blouses as well.
This you can carry on Navratri chaniya cholis as well as sari. See the detailing. Kinkap with moti work, heritage moti work.
Beautiful.
And this is a halter neck blouse. This can be carried on Navratri chaniya cholis, and then you can. This is a boho loop blouse actually,
Right.
which can be carried with shorts and.
You can create an
skirts and
Indo-Western
all.
look.
Yeah. So I have many of those also.
So they have a lot of options. Beautiful. Brand Amari by Amisha, and they have got beautiful bandhani mein collection. These are all unstitched dress material options. Check this out. A huge range of color options are available. Very pretty work. Amazing. And also this time they have their beautiful bag collection. Very lightweight and washable, as you can see. Beautiful. And then something like this. Amazing. Also have collection in abhas, marodi work, heart work में ये सारे unstitched dress material available है. A lot of options. This is brand Amari by Amisha. This is brand Navrangika. We have beautiful options like these. Check this out. Color options are also very pretty. Something like this. Very pretty. Amazing. This is brand Deepika Yolekar, and check this out. Very pretty Navratri wedding functions के लिए collection है उनके पास. Let's check out.
हमारे पास मिरर वर्क में बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस है विद कलर. This is from halter neck blouse, and these are more colors. And we have a badla work
chaniya choli for wedding and Navratri also. We have more options in Dariya work.
Dariya work.
Yeah. These are colors of options. We have 2 blouses, one with sleeves and without sleeves.
Beautiful.
And we have a dupattas.
Beautiful range of dupattas as well.
We are Ahmedabad based brand, and you can come to visit our studio and exhibitions.
This is brand Vibgyor Fashions and they have beautiful Navratri collection. All these lehengas and chaniyas. Check this out. Very pretty. A lot of color options as well. Check this floral one out. Beautiful. And what she is wearing is also part of her collection. Amazing. And what do we have more?
We have a festive kurtas.
They have got festive kurtas as well. Check
We have a
this out.
heavy thing also.
Something you want in heavy.
Yeah, it's a
For siders,
Semi-formal.
semi-formal looks as well. Beautiful.
we have a cord sets too.
So they have an cotton range as well for your everyday casual wear. Cord sets like these. Beautiful.
Even this are pretty.
Amazing.
Carry in a festive functions
For
also.
festive functions also you can style it up with beautiful jewelry.
Yes.
Then they've got
These are the
blouses. Amazing. So a lot of options are available.
Hi, I am Archana from House of Ilama. So we have 9 forms of inspiration is 9 forms of Ma Durga. So we have different colors. This is a Shailputri, Skand Mata. So these are all forms of Ma Durga, and we have all in pastel shades. This is a Siddhidatri. We have different blouses pattern, all in Mal Chanderi. This is the Mahagauri. And every skirts are 12 to 13 meters flare.
12 to 13 meter flare. Yes. These are all the 9 forms of Durga and they have created very beautiful chaniya cholis like these. And it's in Mal Chanderi. Check.
All are embroidered in
All
Durga
are
Ma
embroidered
Swarup.
Durga Ma Swarup. Beautiful. So this is a beautiful collection for Navratri. So this is brand Tashi's Couture and they have got beautiful Navratri and festive collection, starting off with this beautiful floor length tissue dress. Check this out. Very beautiful. आप इसको wedding functions में भी style कर सकते हैं. Then they have something like this. Beautiful work. Amazing. Then check this out. Full set भी है उनके पास. गोटा पट्टी मारवाड़ी हैंड वर्क है. कच्छी वर्क का ब्लाउज है. And then this is also, check out the work here. पूरा हैंड वर्क, मारवाड़ी वर्क जिसको गोटा पट्टी कहते हैं वो है यहाँ पे. Beautiful. And then they have something like this. बनारसी में अगर आपको चाहिए. Beautiful. And the lehengas collection is starting at just ₹2000 से लेकर 15,000 तक आपको मिल जाएंगे options. पूरा set चाहिए तो 4,000 से starting price range है. Beautiful. So they have a lot of color options. Cotton में मिल जाएगा, rayon में मिल जाएगा. All different kind of. If you want something lightweight, they have options for that as well. This out a very beautiful chaniya choli. Cotton में है गामठी के साथ. This is brand Rama by Rakhi Shah. They have a lot of options in blouses this time. Small sizes में अगर आपको चाहिए, then they have very fancy options. Check this out. Very comfortable to wear. Something like this. Ajrak में if you want. All are fancy ones for the small sizes. The bow pattern here, beautiful. So they have a lot of options in blouses, as you can see. A lot of in cotton, ajrak. Beautiful. So what you can do with this brand is कि आप हर एक item को mix and match कर सकते हो. अगर आपके पास कोई blouse है, if you want to pair the chaniyas with that, they have options. Then this time they have launched something that you can wear for the festivities as well as for Navratri. So multi-purpose options आपको मिल जाएंगे. Beautiful. So these are all the options for lehengas.